In this short tutorial, you will learn how to play Telegram videos on your iPhone. Sometimes, you might receive video files in formats like MKV. The iPhone does not support MKV files directly, so it can be tricky to watch those videos. But don't worry, there is a simple way to play these videos without any problems. First things first, let's get the VLC Media Player installed on your device. To do this, open the App Store. Once inside the App Store, head over to the Search tab located at the bottom right of your screen. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and type in VLC Media Player. After typing it out, hit Search. You'll see VLC Media Player in your search results. Go ahead and select it. Next, tap on the Get button to download and install VLC onto your iPhone. Once it's downloaded and installed, exit out of the App Store by swiping up. Now that VLC is ready to go, let's open up Telegram. Select the chat where you want to play a video. This could be a group chat or an individual conversation, whatever works best for you. Now, find and tap on the video file you want to watch. As you can see here, instead of playing normally, it just shows a blank screen with the video file name displayed. Don't worry, there's an easy fix. Look for the share button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like an arrow pointing upwards out of a box. Tap on it. A share menu will pop up, displaying various options. Swipe through these until you find VLC. If you can't find it, tap More. Once you see VLC Media Player listed among your sharing options, simply tap on it. And just like that, the video file will now open in VLC Media Player without any issues. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method for playing Telegram videos on your iPhone using VLC Media Player. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.